Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to use headers and footers in MS Word. These are great for adding titles, page numbers, and other details that appear on every page. So let's start it. First of all, close, open your MS Word file, and you can see the file number, page number are added here. So how I add this page number in every page slide? So click on insert type, then go to the header and footer bar. So here header and footer and page number. So if you want to create a header, so click on it, and if you want to create a footer, so click on it. Then first of all I create a header, so I'm clicking on it, and you can see here the many type and format of header. So you can select any footer, any header. So click on it, and you can see here the uh, you can see here the header are written here, and edit this header like create here and close the header, and you can see here header are created, but I don't create this. So click on it and type the text. So I want to write here erasing this text and write apple, apple, and formatting this like this, the click on it, click on it. So and click on close the header. So you can see apples are available on both page, all page. So this is the method adding header and footer in your Word file pages. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.